Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We will explain a trick how you can easily remove the emblem without damaging your bumper or even damaging your old emblem. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11 guys. If you have one of those, you want to see how to remove the front emblem guys, stay with us. We will explain how to remove it, and we will actually install the 50th anniversary BMW emblems, which are amazing. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do it the right way so you don't damage your bumper and you don't even damage your original emblem if you want to preserve it. That way you can use it later. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything, transmissions, engines, bodywork. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too, at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money guys. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So let's continue now. So what do we have here? 2013 BMW 520i that we'll demonstrate on. We'll remove that emblem and we'll install the new generation 50th anniversary emblem guys. Now you need to get a plastic panel remover too. Most of the times when you buy the emblem kit, you will get one of those free, or if you don't, they're only not expensive at all. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. You need to find one of the sides guys will be usually looser, okay? With the plastic one there is a less likely chance to actually damage the paint, but it's only double-sided tape here guys. So if you get underneath, you can just go around, okay, and kind of like, don't pry, just go and kind of like cut the double-sided tape. You can just pull a little bit of pressure, okay, and eventually it will come out guys, okay. Okay, check this thing out. This is the emblem. This is guys, okay, the double-sided tape that we need to remove. Now in order to install the new emblem, all that needs to be cleaned, okay. All that needs to come off. That glue, if it's too much, okay, I'll use the plastic panel remover too, so I don't scratch the paint. I'll remove that, and then we'll use rubbing alcohol to clean everything so the new emblem attaches, because you can see the old one, it wasn't sealed here correctly. What we'll be using, okay, I'll just clean everything really good, not to waste your time. Isopropyl alcohol, just a pharmacy grade alcohol. We're going to apply a little bit, okay, on the towel and clean everything really good where the new one will attach, okay, because otherwise guys, okay, the double-sided tape, okay, will not work. So that's what we'll do to the rest of it. So the new decal, the new emblem, excuse me, comes with a double-sided tape, which by the way in some cases it could be a challenging thing to remove. Everything's clean guys, you can see everything is really clean. You have two guides where they position the emblem, so we cannot put it the wrong way. We're going to go ahead, go in the holes, okay, I'm going to position everything, press on the outsides, not on the inside, not too hard because you're going to bend your decal. And we're ready to go. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.